Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will be discussing how to make a PowerPoint presentation. We will go over with the basics of the PowerPoint presentation and we will try our best to use its different features, designs, and our aim is to learn PowerPoint effectively here. So first of all, the thing that we must learn and memorize is the layout of the PowerPoint presentation. So here we have on So remember, this is just a blank presentation in front of us, and I'm using today Microsoft PowerPoint version of 2010. More or less all the Office versions 2010, 16 or the other are same. They have not much difference among them. And so we have on the top here, this first row as tabs. We call it tabs. This row we call groups. Sorry, this row we call ribbons. And the third row we call as groups. These small like slides written here, font, paragraph and drawing and editing, we call it as fonts. Okay, so first of all we must familiarize ourselves with the layout of the presentation. Whenever you open a PowerPoint presentation, whenever you open a PowerPoint presentation, the first thing you have to decide its layout. We have a new slide here, like I choose the layout button. I have different options here. I can choose this slide, title with contents. Here I can see different options. I can insert table, I can insert a chart, I can insert some graphics, 3D models, icon, videos, pictures, and we have a title slide here. First slide is normally a title slide. We can draw a comparison between two different things, and section header, title only, picture with caption. Okay, normally we will be using as title and content slide in our presentation because we normally write bullets in our slides, and for formal presentation we use different design templates. So here we have the option of design. First of all, before making a presentation, we have to choose a suitable design for our presentation. Here we have different sorts of designs. So today I will go with this one. I like this one. Okay, so we choose this one. So here I have different themes for my presentation, and here I have different variants for my presentation. I have a lot of options. I can choose different color schemes for my slide. For this time I will just keep it simple. I have different writing options here. Moreover, I have different effects. I also have different kind of background styles, but as far as the aesthetic sense is concerned, I will go over with the white color because our text should be visible. Widescreen, I have also selected the slide size as widescreen, or I can choose it as standard size, but for this presentation, for this time I am sticking with widescreen format background option. So let's leave it. And now I want to write something. For example, first of all, I must choose the title slide, first slide. I want to write a title. I write as the artificial arm. Okay, I write a title. This is my title. As far as the suitability is concerned, the title should be in the center of the slide. So I make it as center. Here are different options for the alignment of the text. This is margin, this is center, this is would be towards the right side, and this would be justification. Okay, so for right now, I choose it in the center and we leave the subtitle. For choosing the next slide, I have two options. I have this kind of button here, which is divided into two parts. Simply by clicking this button, I get the new slide. Or I have the other option. To click this down button, I can get different options. That what kind of slide do I want? So, and there is also another method to insert the new slide. That is very simple, and we use this very often. Just to click here and press enter, we can get the new slide. Okay. To get back, we can do we can here we have an undo button, or we can simply insert Ctrl plus Z. So I have the next slide here. Artificial arm. So I want to write something about it. For example, this is for the history. I write the history, or I write something as preface. I write as preface. Here I can write the sub bullets as I have different options to select what kind of bullet do I want. This is triangular, and very often we use these bullets, the circular ones. I write something as first developed in 2010. Here I get the second bullet. And now from here I can select what kind of font do I want. Most of the times we use Arial font, or in universities we use as the standard is set as I think it Times New Roman. This font is selected. Okay, and the size, uh, we should keep in mind while making presentations about the size of our text. This heading is generally 36 and the second is 32, while the subheading is made 36, 32, 28, and 24, and so on. First developed in 2010, invented by dot dot dot, and then we insert another tab as to write something about function. We generally prefer our font. We generally prefer to create such a font that is visible to the audience. As far as this font is concerned, it is a good theme, but let me choose something that is more visible and looks more suitable to the audience as far as formal presentations are concerned. So right now I'm getting back to just a simple presentation like this one. First of all, I will keep it simple and then I will add some designs. So here we have our body is 28 size. That's 44. Let's make it 36 from here. And let's make it 28 or 24, 20. You can see a difference of 4 developed by the PowerPoint. Our aim here is to our aim of writing here is to write something that is visible to the audience when we are delivering our presentation on a projector or something like that. And the body we have chosen is Calibri. Let's take the Calibri for instance. And now we have certain options here like inserting pictures. We can insert the picture we have in our PC, or we can go to the option of online pictures. So first of all, let's select something from our PC pictures. If I go to screenshots, I have